So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add custom indents here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in indent a few times, I'll show you some examples on what we can do. So if I were to go ahead and just press indent right here, you can go ahead select this. That's just the basic one. You can go ahead press tab. It does the exact same thing. You can delete it. It is what it is. If you want this to be like a custom amount, like maybe not this far, maybe a little bit closer, it's pretty straightforward. Go to format right here. Go to where it says align and indent, and then go to indentation options. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select it. So if you want this to be like 1, you can press apply. It is what it is. If I were to go back here to format, align and indents, and indent options, if you want this to be like zero point 0.5, go ahead and do that, and you can tell your indent will be, a specific way. If I want this to be formatting, align and indents, indent options, maybe 0.25, I'll press apply, and it'll be customized the way you want. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add a custom indent here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.